My name is Kurtan Apaydin. I'm country director for Limak Macedonia. As Limak, we are listed within 100 largest construction companies in the world, which is listed in ENR. We have built and commissioned one of the largest airports in the world, which is Istanbul Grand Airport. And currently we are building Kuwait International Airport, the contract value of 4.6 billion US dollars, which is the greatest contract value taken by Turkish general contractor at a time. We are at the moment also building the longest span suspension bridge in the world, which is in Çanakkale, Dardanelles. And as per our experience of many years, many large projects in different sectors, now we are building diamond in the heart of Skopje, which we think one of the best projects in Macedonia. Our diamond comprises residences, a 5-star hotel, A-class offices, home offices, underpass tunnel. With diamond, we want to combine rich history of Skopje with the brilliant and bright future. During the construction, there will be over 1,200 workers, skilled or unskilled, and engineers, supervisors working in this project. After the project is inaugurated, there will be over 5,000 people living or working within this mixed-use complex. I'm here in Skopje since October 2017. I feel myself quite lucky to be here at this period of time because I have the opportunity to witness the transformation of the country within the path to NATO and European Union. It was an amazing experience for me, and it's also amazing that the people here are quite tolerant, they are calm, they are very well educated. The country itself is gorgeous with beautiful lakes, mountains. You can do all sorts of winter sports, water sports, and I love being here. As time passes by, I personally realized that it's the right decision to invest in diamond in the heart of Skopje. As Limak, we strive and try to do the best in all our projects, and that's why we are building the best project in the heart of Skopje, in the heart of Macedonia, and we are proud of it.